To save presets for Pro Mode in camera in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open the camera app on your device. Next step is to click on the four dots right here and go into the gear icon. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Camera Assistant. If you do it for the first time, you will need to download this plugin from Galaxy Store. When it's done, scroll down until we find the presets in Pro Mode. You will need to make sure that this option is active. Now we can go back to our camera, click on More and enter Pro Mode. That way we'll be able to adjust the settings for our Pro Mode. You can adjust it however you like, and when it's done you can click right here and then go to Preset Settings, select Create from the current settings and then save and name your preset however you like. When it's done, you can simply click on your presets and then use them in your camera. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.